Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will study predecessor and successor. So first of all, what is predecessor? Predecessor means just before. Just before of any number, that is called predecessor. Okay? And successor means just after. Like that, when you get success, so you go in the next class. So successor means just after. Okay, so how we find predecessor and successor? Predecessor equals to number minus 1 from number when we subtract 1, that is called predecessor. Okay, and successor when we add any number plus 1, number plus 1, when we add 1, that is called successor. Okay, so you can find easily predecessor and successor. Okay, so now we will start our next exercise, exercise 1.5. Here is given first question. Write the predecessor of each of the following. Okay, so how you will write predecessor? By subtracting 1. Okay, so here is given A part. 5 crore 22 lakhs 32,490. So from that, when you do minus 1, then you will get its predecessor. Okay. So when 490 minus 1. So 90 minus 1, what's get? 89. So predecessor, you will write like this. Predecessor of 5 crore 22 lakhs 32,490. When we do minus 1, so it's become 489. So we write here 5, the rest number will remain same. There is no change in the other, only we will subtract from here minus 1. Then 10 minus 1 is 9 and there will be 8. So it's become 5 crore 22 lakhs 32,489. That is the predecessor of 5 crore 22 lakhs 32,490. Okay. Now it's B part. 89 lakhs 70,000. Now we will do minus 1. So what we get? We will do here 89 lakhs 70,000 minus 1. Okay. So when you do minus 1, so how you will do? From 0 you can subtract 1? No. You will take a borrow. But the next is 0. Next is also 0. Next is also 0. So we take from there. There will be 6. Now 10, 9, 10, 9. There's 10, then 9. And there will be 10. Now we can do minus. 10 minus 1, 9. There is also 9. There is also 9. There is also 9. There is 6, 9, 8. So it's become 89 lakhs 69,999. Okay. So predecessor of 89 lakhs 70,000 is 89 lakhs 69,999. That's your answer. So like this you can get your predecessor by subtracting 1. Okay, no need to show here, only for solution, for getting your answer you can see like this. Okay, now it's the C part. Here is 52 lakhs 8,300. So here also we can see by subtraction. 52 lakhs 8,300 minus 1. So do minus 1. So you cannot subtract 1 from 0. So again we will take borrowing. Next is 0. So take from there. There will be 2. Now 10, 9. There is 10. Now 10 minus 1, 9. And there is 9. There is 2. There is 8, 0, 2, 5. It's become 52 lakhs 8,299. That's your answer. So the predecessor of 52 lakhs 8,300 is, what's the your answer? 52 lakhs 8,299. That's your answer. So like this you can solve. Okay. Here is also no need to show this solution. Only for rough you can do like this. Okay. In your rough notebook you can do by subtraction, and like this you solve. So D part you will do yourself. Now we will do question number 2. Now question number 2. Write the successor of each of the following. Means you should write a successor. And I told you successor means number plus 1 just after. Okay. So for finding successor in number we will do plus 1. Okay. So here is A part, 6,26,979. Now we add in this one. So 6,26,979 plus 1. So when we do 9 plus 1, 10. 1 goes carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 9, 6, 2, 6. So it's become 6,26,980. Okay. So 79 plus 1, that's become 80. Okay. So like this you will do addition plus 1. Now next is B part. In B part you are having 26,63,599. Here also again you will do plus 1 for finding successor. Successor means plus 1. Okay. And for predecessor what we do? Minus 1. So here we will do plus 1. So 27,63,599 plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. 1 goes carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. There is 3. There is 6, 7, 2. So it's become 27,63,600. Okay. So write here 27,63,600. Okay. Have you got it? So like this we will do plus 1 for the successor. But that addition you can do in the rough notebook. No need to show in the fair. Okay. Only in the rough you can do like this. Then next C part, 45,89,888. Again we will do plus 1. So when we do plus 1, so 88. 8 plus 1, 9. So 8 plus 1, 9. Then 8. Then 8. Then 9. Then 8. Then 5. Then 4. So it's become 45,89,889. Okay. Now it's a D part. What is in D part? 27 crore 68 lakhs 88,999. Okay. Again we will do plus 1. So we'll write like this: successor of 27 crore 68 lakhs 88,999. Okay. Now we'll do plus 1 for finding successor. So we'll do here plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. 1 goes carry. Then again 9 plus 1, 10. 1 goes carry. Then 9 plus 1, 10. 1 goes carry. 8 plus 1, 9. There is 8. Again 8, 6, 7, 2. Okay. Now put a commas. So here again 1000 period separate, then lakhs. So 27 crore 68 lakhs 89,000. That's your answer. Okay. So you will write like this. You will write the sentence also. Many students what they do? They do equal symbol and then write the answer. That's wrong. Because if you are writing equal here, that means both sides are equal. And when you are writing successor, so how can they equal? You are writing successor. So when you write successor, so how can you write this this number and this number equal? That will be wrong. So when you write successor and predecessor, so you will not take here equal symbol. You will write like this sentence. When you write predecessor, so you write here predecessor of this, and then you write your answer. And when you are writing successor, then successor of number, then you will write your answer. You will not put like this equal symbol and directly answer. You will not do like this. Okay? You will write in sentence and then you will solve. Okay? So I hope you get second question. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is there. Observe the following patterns and fill in the blanks. So first of all, you will observe the pattern carefully. What is given in the pattern? Pattern means in the question. Okay? Sequence. Pattern means the sequence. What sequence is given here? What is missing? What is adding? What is subtracting here? What process is given here? That we have to identify. And then we will fill our blanks. Okay? Now A part. There is given blank, then again blank, then there is given number. What number is given here? 87,28,604. Then after that, 87,28,605. Okay? So what's the difference between these two numbers? What's relation is there? Firstly, we identify the pattern. So what pattern is there? So you will see that lakhs is same, 87, 87. Thousand is also same, 28, 28. Then 100 is also same, 6, 6. Tens is also same, 0, 0. Now you will see 4 ones is there and there is 5. That means 1 plus is there. Okay? What pattern is there? We are adding 1. Okay? After 4 we are having here 5. So before 4 what we have? 3. So that means there will come 87 lakhs. Lakhs will be same. Then 28,000. Then 603. Then before that, because we are adding 1, 3, then 4, then 5. So before 3 what we have? We will do -1, so there will be 2. So now -1, what we get here? 87 lakhs 28,602. Okay? So like this you will get your pattern. Now it's a B part. Now in B part, again you will see the number. So what's given here? You will see here is given 33 lakhs 30,870. Okay? Then next 33 lakhs 30,818. So you compare both. So what is in lakhs? In lakhs both are same. 33, 33. 1,000, 30, 30. That is also same. Now 100, 8 and there is 8. That is also same. Tens also same. Now here is 7 and here is 8. That means 1 difference is there. The same one like A part. There is also difference of 1. That means before it we are having -1. So 7 minus 1, 6. So the answer becomes 33 lakhs 30,816. Okay. Again for that we will do -1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So what's become? 33 lakhs 30,815. So we write here 33 lakhs 30,815. Okay. Now next C part. Here is given 9 crore 41 lakhs 43,243. Now see the next number. 9 crore 41 lakhs 43,244. So we will compare them both. Then next we have to fill. Okay. So 9 crore. 41 lakhs, 41 lakhs. 43,000, 43,000. 200, 200. Now here is 4, 4. Now there is 3 and then 4. That means here is also 1 addition. Difference of 1. Here we have to fill before numbers. So what we do? Minus. Because numbers are given later and before numbers given for filling. So when we find before number, before means predecessors. So for that we do minus, and in this we have to write successor. So for that we will do plus. Okay. So 43, then here is 44. So 44 plus 1. So that's become 45. So here we write 9 crore, 41 lakhs, 43,245. Okay. Now next 45 plus 1. 46. So now 9 crore, 41 lakhs, 43,246. Okay. So like this, when we find successor, we will do plus 1. And when we find predecessor, then we will do minus 1. So when we have blank first and then we have number, that means we are finding here predecessor. So for that we will do minus. And if we have blank later and firstly we have number, so that means we will do plus, because we are finding successor here. So like this you have to solve. Second thing, when we have separate the numbers, so we put a dot and comma, because if you put only comma like this, so what happens? There is a confusion that where is number finish and where is period finish. So whenever you are separating the numbers, you always put a dot and comma. Take care about that. Okay. Like this you will solve complete your exercise. Thank you.